Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a spooktacular day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome back to day 3 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. For today's project, I've created some fun new chip bags. As you may remember, I introduced these chip bags as part of my summer picnic bundle on MYSCRAPCHICK. Now I have 4 new Halloween chip bag SVG files that are perfect to put your Halloween treats in. So let's review each of them one by one. The first chip bag is called Boo Chip Bag 1. It has a large layered title that says Boo, and there are 3 layers to it. You have this fun window with layers and then 3 different ghosts. On the top here, I've added these double bows. We have this orange and black ribbon and a black glitter ribbon in the back, and then I finished it off with this fun little faceted black rhinestone. The paper collection that I use is an older stack by DCWV called Happy Halloween. I used a number of different collections for these chip bags. This is what it looks like on the back. It has this fun little Halloween village. Now, one thing that I did differently with this is that I have used Velcro to close the top. When I did the initial tutorial for the chip bag before, I sealed the top just like I sealed the bottom down here, as you would see in a normal chip bag. However, I think these are so cute, you could reuse them, you could include a card in them, but you don't have to throw it away. I've simply used 2 Velcro dots on either side, and as you can see, it closes just perfectly. Okay, so this will allow you to have a bit more use out of these fun chip bags. So that's one. The second chip bag that I've created is called Boo Chip Bag 2. So this has a slightly different feature on the top. We've got this starburst and 3 different layers here and a smaller Boo title. We also have the 3 different ghosts here. And this is what the back looks like. And again, I did use the Velcro closure on the top. Next, we have the Spooky Chip Bag. I think this one is my favorite. This is a really old paper collection by K & Company, and it had a cemetery on it, which I thought was perfect for this design. On the top, I have this fun purple glittered bow. I've enhanced this with another black rhinestone gem. Here we have this large title that says Spooky, and it's got these green eyes. I did use my black Nuvo drops here to add a little more dimension to the eyes. There are 3 different layers, and I have foam tape behind it. And then the frame of the bag has these fun gooey drips on the bottom here. So I've done that in this fun purple. Now, these tombstones don't come with this collection. I've simply cut them out from this paper. So let me show you what the back looks like. As you can see, you've got this night sky, a spooky tree, and of course all of these tombstones. So this one is called Spooky. The last chip bag is called Eeek, and in this you have this fun layered title. It's got 3 different layers. You receive 4 spiders, and as you can see here, for the bodies, I've used these black faceted gemstones. And then in the center window, you have this fun spiderweb pattern. You also receive the bow. And this is what the back looks like. We've got this fun spiderweb. This concludes my review of my 4 new Halloween chip bags available at MYSCRAPCHICK. For a tutorial on how to put this together, I will include a link in the description box to my original chip bag tutorial. Once again, we have the Eeek Chip Bag, Spooky, Boo Chip Bag 2, and then Boo Chip Bag 1. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this project, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please be sure to join me tomorrow for day 4 of the 13 Days of Halloween series. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy Halloween.